Hello everyone! For today's DIY project we'll need MLT resistors, which you can find on any Soviet circuit board. The resistor we need should have a resistance between 1 and 5 ohms. It shows 1.9, subtracting the resistance of the probes we get exactly 1 ohm. Now we need to connect a wire to this resistor, but instead of soldering we should crimp it using a thin tube. You can get such a tube from a connector that has many contacts. Crimp it well and put on a fiberglass sleeve. Put a heat shrink tube over everything. Next, we'll need a thin-walled metal tube, which I took from a collapsible antenna. Now the resistor needs to be inserted into the tube. Take heat resistance sealant and fill the tube with it. After the sealant dries, you need to put on a cap, which I took from a fuse. For reliability, the cap needs to be soldered. We do the same steps on the other side of the tube. You need to solder a USB connector to the wire. Now our homemade device is finished. Now let's move on to testing it. Plug the power supply into the wall outlet and the tube will start heating up. As you can see, the heating has started. This kind of resistor can heat up to 300 degrees and it won't be damaged. As you can tell, we've made a low power water heater. When there's no electricity, you can connect this kind of water heater to an inverter using a mobile phone charger or just to a power bank. Well, now let's try to heat a glass of water using this homemade device. As you can see, the water is boiling. The homemade device works great, but to be honest, it doesn't heat up very quickly. But when the electricity is often out and you have nothing to heat water with to make a cup of tea, this homemade device is quite useful. The advantage of this device is that it's economical and runs on a power bank. I don't have a power bank right now. I'll demonstrate how this homemade device works with just one battery. As you can see, everything is great and the heating has started. With a power bank, it will work even better. If you like this homemade project, share the video with friends. Thanks for watching and goodbye. To be continued.